Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video is going to be an exciting one. I know you guys are looking forward to this video to find out who won our yarn for our birthday / 2-year anniversary on YouTube giveaway. I am super excited to announce a winner. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. We're going to do it all together right here, and you guys are going to see in real time who won. I am so excited. There's a lot of yarn here. This is a big box. This is going to make someone very happy, and I love making people happy. So I know today I'm at least making one person very happy, and that makes me happy. How many times can I say happy in one sentence? I don't know. All right, you guys, this is what I did. I had made a numbered list right here of everyone who entered. There were 53 people. So your odds of winning are actually really good compared to other channels and other giveaways. 1 in 53, pretty good. I'm going to get a random number generator here on my phone. We're going to put in the numbers like 1 through 53, I said. 1 through 53, it's going to generate a random number, and whoever name is next to that number, that's who wins. So I'm super excited. Before we find out who won today, I really want to take this time to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel and who watches my videos. It means so much to me, you guys. I know these past few months have been horrible. I haven't been uploading. I haven't been doing tutorials. I haven't been really doing much of anything, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who still stick by me and watch my videos and comment and just are there. So thank you so much. Okay, I've said my thank yous. Now let's just see who won. Let's just stop talking and see who won all this yarn. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay, here's the random number generator right there. Can you guys see it? Okay, I'm going to put in the number 53 because there was 53 people. So I have 1 through 53. This is like the unprofessional way of doing this, but that's okay. You guys can see. And then we're going to generate. Are you guys excited? I'm so excited right now. Generate. Okay, who is it? Are you guys ready for who won? The number is 15. Can you see that right there? Number 15. Let's look at our list. I already know who won. Let's look at our list and see who the winner is. Number 15. Do you see number 15 up there? It's Robin Girard. So congratulations, Robin Girard. I am so happy for you. All you need to do, have your address over there. If you would like to make it easier for me, you can email me your shipping address so I can get this box out to you as soon as possible. My email will be in the description below this video. Send me an email, let me know your address, and I will get this box to you as soon as I can. Again, congratulations to Robin Girard. I am so happy for you. You have a lot of nice yarn here. You won. Congratulations. Thank you for participating, everybody. This is not our last giveaway, I promise. There will be more in the future, the near future, because I'm kind of running out of ideas, and giveaways are easy to think of. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, for participating in this giveaway. It means so much to me, and congratulations to Robin Girard. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, and we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways, and we're going to be having fun. I'm going to try doing some yarn shopping videos, yarn haul videos. I've never done it before, so you guys can kind of watch my embarrassment unfold on camera as I'm out in public talking to myself holding a camera. Should be a good time. So if you would like to see that, make sure you're subscribed, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload videos, and always check out the description below. There's always links in the description, and you can check out my merch store, Facebook, Instagram. I have a private Facebook group. Check those out if you'd like to. And that's going to be it for today. Again, Robin Girard is our big winner today. So congratulations, Robin, once again. So excited for you. Don't forget to send me an email, and that's going to be it. So until next time, you guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.